Hi, in this session we'll talk about ordering prednisone taper or any kind of tapering meds. A good example is prednisone, so we will click the add button and we type PREDN, and so prednisone comes up and you would select prednisone, and you see this functionality, this order sentence called taper order. You would select that one. These are other order sentences are the standard scheduled doses, and then the pediatric order sentences underneath. But the taper order is very special, so we want to kind of educate you on this. You click OK using the taper order, and you click Done to close your search box. And here, the frequency is being defined, and of course the start date time is being defined, and it's defaulting to tomorrow morning at 9 in the morning here, this default. And so you want to be very cautious and careful on when you're starting the taper. In this case, I do want to start the taper tomorrow. But if you wanted to change it to a different day, you would be just changing it on the calendar here and typing in a different military time, so date and time. And the frequency here you would be defining in another screen. I wouldn't change it right now. You see this icon, it says tapering dose, and you click on that tapering dose and a window opens up, and it allows you to construct linear tapers. So taper of a specific amount per day decrease, like a linear decrease. So let's say we wanted to start out with 60 milligrams PO. Let's say I wanted Q day, and you would just say Q and then D, or Q 24 hours. One could search for either. So here's your Q 24 hours option. Right here, Q day or Q 24 hours. And then it already has a defaulted start date of tomorrow morning at 9, and it's going to reduce by, let's say we wanted to do it 10 milligrams every 2 days to a final dose of 10 milligrams, and stop final dose after 2 days. And maybe we wanted to stop it after 5 days. And so if you calculate the steps, you have to click the calculate the steps, and what happens is all the steps here got calculated, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and you'd note how the appropriate dates and times have been adjusted to build this taper. And notice how now the frequency is set as well. So now that you're happy with this, you would click OK, and what happens is it's generating an order. It has a little stepwise ladder that says this is a tapering dosing order. If you click on this positive plus sign, it gives you all the mini steps needed to get down to 10. And if you note that this patient will eventually be off of prednisone on April 16th, and so that's the final day of the 10. And so if you click sign, it would sign all these orders into place. And that is how one orders a prednisone taper or any tapering medications. Thank you.